Hey LEGO fans, and welcome to part 3 on my brick calendar speed build. And I am hoping this will be the very last part of this speed build, as I am going to try and build the last 2 brick to complete the whole set. So without further ado, let's go right into it.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end, no, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Whew. Okay, so we started off with doing the 5, and then we did the 3. I did mess up the 3 putting it long, but I did place it with the short. Then I did the 4, then the 2, and then we did the 1 and the 0. So I guess let's do the last brick to complete the set. So let's do that right now.
Close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Okay, I have officially finished both of these, so now I have gotten the my other two. Now, this is going to be like an official thing. So, I know that the main way to put it in on this like dusty, I do bear with me, but so, today's date, which is the 6th, I'm going to put 06 2 1. Yes, there we go. That's today's date, the day I'm recording this video with, which is Father's Day, the 6th. Sorry, it's not the 6th. Sorry, it's the 5th. Whoops, I got my dates wrong. It's 05 anyway. Ah, yes, there we go. There we got the wrong date. Whoops. There we go, 05/21. There we go. So I haven't done the minifig yet, but I'll probably do that separate. So yeah, so that's the date. Today's date being the 5th of September 21. So yeah, that's to make it an official date that I have completed this video. So this was part 1, part 2, and these two were in this video in part 3. So been a good build with this series. So yeah. So anyway, folks, if you enjoyed this video, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think of my brick calendar, since you're now looking at it complete. As I didn't think I would have made it like, or finished it in this episode, but I did, you know. As always, my Twitter and the Discord that I am partnered with is in the description down below if you want to join. It's an Aussie only Discord server for Aussies. If you're in New South Wales, Victoria, Tassie, or anywhere in Australia, you're welcome to join and a fan of Lego. Also let me know in the comments down below what other builds you want me to do, as I still have quite a few other Lego sets that I have that are still in boxes and not done completely yet because of there's no room to put things at this point in time. But yeah, I'm just so happy to see this finally complete, you know. So as always, please click the subscribe button right here or down below. Don't forget to tap that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you missed part 1 and part 2 of this video, you can click the playlist right here. And as always, I'll see you all later. Bye!